conception in 1999, Kala Gora was first installed to show the artists of Mumbai in a very nice way. But now it has become so famous that artists not only from Mumbai but all over India come to show their art in Kala Gora. This particular art is Mumbai Darshan, which shows us all the main parts of Mumbai, from Kala Gora to Tulsi Pipe Road to Marine Drive to Western Express Highway and all of them. And it is shown in a very colourful way to show that Mumbai never stops, be it 2611 or the floods in Mumbai, but Mumbai always goes on. And the culture exactly shows us the same. There is this other piece of art which shows us the 100 years of cinema. It is done by Mr. Sumit Sanjay, who would like to share a few words with us about it.
Now we are celebrating 100 years of cinema, and this is the year where we have to give bow to them. That's why I have made this Dadasaheb Phalke ka statue, and he is the father of Indian cinema. And there are many cutouts, and my concept is very vice versa, because of this common man, this hero becomes a real hero. That's why this red carpet is for the common man, and the real actors is on other side. There is a big camera which having choreographers, directors, writers, singers, and other people's face, and who is a real maker of hero. So this is my concept, and this is all about of Indian cinema.
They are showing us all the famous actors of our country, from Amitabh Bachchan to Rajnikant to Salman Khan and Vidya Balan. They have covered every aspect of our Indian cinema. And it goes without saying that Indian cinema is one of the greatest art and culture of our country. Starting with Bollywood to Tollywood, everything is very important and a major part of our country. This is another art which is done by the school students of Mumbai, and they're trying to show that together something is very creative, but when you put it apart from each other, they are not so creative. They're showing us the tumblers, to the wooden things, to these springs and the toys and everything and these utensils. It shows a very colorful aspect, and they show that united they stand, but divided they do not seem that important and that mesmerizing. This is another art which shows us the problems that plastic bottles today pose to our country and our city mainly. They are trying to show the plastic rainfall, which is a very important problem today of our country, which has to be solved somehow. This is from this part of Kala Gora. Now we shall go to other part of Kala Gora to show you the different arts, which is art for change. This chair is made out of cardboard, really out of cardboard. I was sitting on it and it did not fall. And even I did not fall. This year they've actually adopted art for a change in its real form. The Kala Gora, which they put up every year, this year it is made out of cardboard. Not metal, not plastic, real cardboard. And it's standing very strong and tall. Kids sit on it all day and it does not fall. It does not even move or even break a bit. But art is not only for change, it is also for fun. That is what the artist over here is trying to show by the magnifying glass. The magnifying glass, you can magnify anything, any art, any culture you want, and it will be shown big. You can, just to believe that it's big, you can have this fun all the time. Then we come to City of Dreams. Mumbai is very easily known as City of Dreams, the Sapno ka number. The artist over here has shown very different types of glasses which they show artists, cultures, everybody comes here just to magnify their fun and to have fun in Mumbai because it is known as the City of Dreams. Everything gets real in Bombay. Even the biggest artists were once small artists came to Mumbai and became big. And also this very nice art which they're trying to show is the rickshaw wala. Years ago, people used to have the pull rickshaw system in which the people used to run the rickshaws by their leg. It is going to come back one day due to the increase in the petrol and the prices and the problems which people face today as the rickshaw walas and also the common man. Kala Gora has shown us every aspect of human life today in Bombay. And today, this is Nishi Bankharia with cameraman Swapnil from MRSC.